Today, I'm going to show you how to be invisible. And you're probably thinking, oh, I'm already invisible to most people. But I'm just talking about visual effects here. And we're going to use After Effects to do this. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Robel, and this is my channel where I create VFX and explain what's behind them and some cinematic stuff. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it and let's do our stuff in After Effects. So let's go. Okay, here in After Effects, I have two videos. The one is the subject, obviously me, just, doing this. And the second one will be the clean video. The clean video is just the background without me. So make sure you record on a tripod so you can have two separate clean videos. If your footage is somehow handheld, then you would need an extra step like tracking the camera and stuff like that. And this will complicate a little bit the process. But if we have a tripod, it's nice. Then after you just gather these two videos, let's maybe rename the clean video to background. And after that, let's pre-comp both of them individually. So I'm going to move all attribute to the new comp and just press OK. And also pre-comp this one as well. Now we have the subject and the background pre-comped. First thing I'm going to do is rotoscope myself out. The way we're going to rotoscope it is using the roto brush. It's up here and above. Just click on it and click on your layer 2 times, double click on it, and then you will have this. So just make sure you select yourself or someone else. Just try to rotoscope out. And you can use Alt to remove selection, and to make the roto brush bigger or smaller, you can press Control and then just drag your mouse, and then you can make smaller or bigger like this. So I'm going to press Alt and to remove the selection, and somewhere between my arms, something like this. And also when you rotoscope hair, it's pretty much hard for After Effects to rotoscope hair out because it's tiny things. So we're going to use Refine Edge Brush. So if you press Alt and click on the roto brush, you can have this refine edge tool. And let's make this bigger a little bit as well, and then let's rotoscope this hair like this. So this brush is going to select our hair from the background, and it's going to do it this way. And after you do that and you're happy with your selection, just press freeze and let After Effects do its thing. And it's going to rotoscope out every frame in the video. And I'll meet you guys back after this is finished, and maybe sip some coffee. If you're enjoying this video, consider supporting me on Patreon. You'll get exclusive project files, bonus content, and help me keep creating more videos for you. The link is in the description. Now our rotoscope is finished, and the next step is adjusting the rotoscope. Remove the shatter, for example here. Reduce shatter, just make it a little bit like 15 is enough. And also on the refine edge, I'm going to shatter reduction. I'm going to make it more detailed and also add some feather to it, let's say 5. And also here the shift edge, and I'm going to check out our rotoscope quickly. And okay, it looks good. We reduce it to somewhere here, display it. It does have some shatter, so just play around with the numbers until you get the right amount, and that's all. Okay, after you're happy with the rotoscope, the next thing we're going to do is on the background layer, we're going to add a displacement map. So go to your effects and then add displacement map. And in the displacement map here, select the background, comp here, and on the source, just select effect and mask, and try to adjust max horizontal and vertical, something like this, so that the background will be a little bit glitchy. So just play around with these numbers as well, something like this, and everything will look awesome. Okay, that's it. And the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to duplicate the subject layer by Control D, and I'm going to remove this selection. the rotoscope on it, and here I'm going to apply the wipe effect. So I'll go to your effects again and then apply the gradient wipe. And in the gradient wipe, you kind of have to make a keyframe on the transition. So let's open up this, the effect on the gradient wipe, and let's make a keyframe on both of them. Here to start normal, and here I'm going to put it on to 100, both of them 100. And also I'm going to select both of the keyframes on go to keyframe assistant and easy, and let's check it out what we made. Okay, now after you make the keyframes here, as you can see, we still don't see the effects yet, and that's because we still turned on this rotoscope layer. So just turn it off, and after that, look at this. Now we're going to have this one. So what we made is it's just a transition for the gradient wipe to transition from this normal rotoscope to the other one. And yeah, that's how you're going to do it. And also here on the background layer, when you add the displacement map, make sure you select the subject comp, the first one, not the duplicator, but the first one here. And yeah, that's how you're going to create it like this. And also I'm going to make another wipe effect here so that it reveals again. So I'm going to just copy this keyframe here and paste it at the end. And also at the end here, I'm going to reduce it to 0 again. So it will appear. So now let's check it out. Now we just disappear here and be invisible, and after at the end we become alive again. So this is how you can create this invisible effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Yeah, if you like this tutorial and you got some value out of it, make sure to like and subscribe. Your support means the world to me, and I'll see you guys with another video. Till then,